If you're seeing Lightroom Error 14002, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it quickly and safely on Lightroom Desktop. This error is usually caused by a corrupt installation, missing files, or a problem with Creative Cloud, so we'll go through the easiest fixes first and work our way down to the more important repair steps. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, restart your PC. This may sound simple, but it's one of the best first steps because it clears stuck Adobe processes running in the background. Sometimes Lightroom or Creative Cloud doesn't close properly, and that can trigger error 14002 when you try to open the app again. After your computer restarts, try launching Lightroom once more and see if the issue is gone. If the error is still there, the next step is to run Adobe Creative Cloud as administrator. Go to your Creative Cloud desktop app, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives it the permissions it needs to update, sync, and repair Adobe components properly. A lack of permissions can sometimes block files from installing correctly, which leads to this exact error. Now check for updates. Open Creative Cloud and make sure you install the latest version available. An outdated Creative Cloud app can cause compatibility problems with Lightroom, and updating it often fixes broken files or failed sign-in issues behind the scenes. Once it finishes updating, reopen Lightroom and test it again. If you're still getting the error, it's time to clear the Adobe cache. This is an important step because corrupted cache files can stop Lightroom from loading correctly. Open File Explorer and go to this location, c:\users\yourname\appdata\local\adobe/OOBE. Inside that folder, delete the OOBE files or the folder contents, then close everything and reopen Creative Cloud. Sign in again with your Adobe account and allow it to rebuild the needed files. After that, go back and try Lightroom again. In many cases, clearing that cache and signing back in is enough to fix error 14002. But if Lightroom still won't open properly, the final step is to repair or reinstall Lightroom. First, uninstall Lightroom from Creative Cloud, then install it again fresh. A clean reinstall can replace missing or damaged files that the normal update process can't fix. If you want the best chance of success, do these steps in order. Restart the PC, run Creative Cloud as admin, update Creative Cloud, clear the Adobe OOBE cache, sign in again, and then reinstall Lightroom if needed. That process usually resolves the error without wasting time. If this video helped you fix Lightroom Error 14002, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.